Okay, been weed whacking for about an hour, I believe, and oh my gosh, got the stuff in my ears, down my shirt, in my mouth. It's all good though. Nothing like chewing rocks. But anyway, let me show you what the difference is, although I'm nowhere near done. Here you go. Whew. All right. Major difference, yes? Okay. Over here, I've got cut. This stuff laying on the ground is all the, as you can see, the cut pieces. This over here, we got a whack. Yeah, we're not done. Nowhere near. This one takes a little bit longer because we're going at slopes. I've got obstacles, as you can see. My cut trees. Got a big old pile of pohaku over there. But you can clearly see the difference. Man, it's almost like 6-8 inches deep on this side over here. And that's already cut on that side. We whacked up here. And I just wanted to show you the difference. Not cut, cut. Sorry for the blurriness, you know. I'm still getting used to using my phone. We'll eventually get a camera. Not today though, because that costs some bank. And my little piggy is done dry. So anyway, obviously we got to cut this. Got to cut back there, but you can see the difference. On this side was cut, on this side it's not. Take you up over here. Hit all this already. Now I can walk over here. I can see the rocks. You can see the rocks. Yeah. Okay. That's all cut in there, gang. Looking good. You know, I thank Akua for providing all that beautiful rain for us. But people, I just weed whacked this less than 3 weeks ago. A week later, we had a major downpour. And with that beautiful blessings of rain, it grows pretty fast. So as you can see, not cut, cut. I am going to take a water break right now. Fill my trusty Shindawa up with some gasoline. Change their string. And hit down there, peeps. It's a beautiful day. I can't even speak, man. I gotta get me some water. Remember, drink lots of water, especially when you're outside. Even though the wind is blowing and it might feel cool, but it is warm. Look at that. Look at that. I know, leaves are blowing, but the sun is out. That's why I'm squinting, because I'm looking at the sun setting on that side. And you got to drink your water to stay hydrated. And I learned something from Doug. Water is water. Tea is not water. Coffee is not water. Beer is not water. Water is water. Drink your water. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Beautiful day, beautiful day. No complaints here. Just working. Chee-hoo.